The sweet mother's life is exemplary, for she has shown us the way to become better human beings. Today, expressions and Western vocals, classes 1 and 2, with additional support from the others, bring to life one of our most meaningful short stories, The Path of Later On, a story didactic and profound for children and adults alike.
Once upon a time, when the brilliant sun was shining gold upon the day, a young traveler, Chandra, was walking briskly along without a care for the future.
The way Chandra is following comes to a crossroads where many paths branch off in all directions. Without thinking, Chandra takes the path nearest to him. He takes the easiest path. Chandra's inner voice talks to him. It says, "There are so many roads. You must choose the right one."
The voice seemed to tell him, "Turn back, turn back. You are not on the right path."
But everything around him is charming and delightful, and Chandra ignores his inner voice and continues on the path that he has hastily chosen. You see, Chandra goes on walking without listening to his conscience, the little voice nudging him. He enjoys the pleasures of the moment without taking a decision. And every time his inner voice tries to remind him of his immediate duty, Chandra pushes the hand away. Later on! Later on! Later on!
But the little voice keeps asking, "Fool, where are you going? Don't you see you are heading for a ruin? Do not be led by indolence and weakness. Do not fall asleep in the present trivia. Come to the future. Later on! Later on! Later on!"
Soon, Chandra starts to feel uneasy.
A very tired and lost Chandra soon cries out, "Where am I? Where am I?"
Chandra says, "What does it matter? Why think? Let me drift along."
"Let me walk on. I shall think tomorrow." The nudging voice tells him, "Go back to the crossing. Take the right decision. This path will lead you to nowhere."
Suddenly, Chandra comes to a castle. He thinks that his path has led him somewhere at last. But the castle is dark and ugly. It does not look inviting. Chandra's inner voice tells him, "Do not enter. It will lead you to nothing."
Chandra brushes aside his inner voice. He goes to touch the castle. The castle falls apart.
What a nightmare! I will not wait for tomorrow. I will not keep for tomorrow what I can do today.
For the path of tomorrow
Leads to nothing. We must never postpone
what we can do today.
We must never postpone what we can do today.